VoIP technology has become one of the most powerful tools for small businesses, offering affordable, flexible, and feature-rich communication solutions. But while many companies focus on the benefits of switching to VoIP, they often overlook an equally important factor: ongoing maintenance. Just like any other technology, your VoIP system requires regular attention to deliver reliable performance, crystal-clear calls, and strong security. In this video, we will walk through essential VoIP maintenance tips for small businesses, covering everything from routine updates to network monitoring, backup strategies, and troubleshooting. By the end, you will know exactly how to keep your VoIP system running smoothly so your business can communicate with confidence. Let's begin with the importance of regular updates. Your VoIP system relies on both hardware and software components, and updates are crucial for addressing bugs, improving performance, and closing security vulnerabilities. Small businesses should set up a schedule to check for firmware and software updates at least once a month. Many VoIP providers release patches regularly, and applying them promptly ensures that your system stays compatible with the latest features and security standards. Failing to update can leave your business vulnerable to cyberattacks or cause compatibility issues with devices and applications you rely on every day. Next, let's talk about monitoring your network performance. VoIP depends on a stable internet connection, and poor network health is the #1 reason for call quality issues like dropped calls, jitter, or echo. Small businesses should use network monitoring tools to track bandwidth usage, latency, and packet loss. By monitoring your network proactively, you can identify bottlenecks or problems before they disrupt communication. For example, if your office has multiple devices streaming video or running large downloads, those activities can compete with VoIP traffic. To fix this, implement quality of service rules, which prioritize VoIP packets over less critical data. This ensures that voice calls remain clear and uninterrupted even when the network is busy. Security is another critical aspect of VoIP maintenance. Unlike traditional phone lines, VoIP runs on the internet, which makes it vulnerable to hacking, phishing, and other cyber threats. Small businesses need to secure their systems by enforcing strong password policies, enabling encryption, and keeping firewalls and antivirus software up to date. Two-factor authentication for admin accounts is also highly recommended. Another simple but effective step is to restrict international calling if your business doesn't need it, as this reduces the risk of toll fraud, a common type of VoIP attack where hackers make unauthorized calls using your system. Training employees on safe VoIP practices, such as not clicking suspicious links within voicemail emails, can also go a long way in protecting your business. Now let's move on to backups and redundancy. Communication is the backbone of any business, and downtime can mean lost sales, frustrated customers, and reduced productivity. Small businesses should work with their VoIP provider to establish a disaster recovery plan. This often includes automatic call forwarding to mobile devices, backup servers, or even a secondary internet connection. Regularly backing up your VoIP system configurations also makes recovery faster if something goes wrong. Imagine your main server crashes or a cyber attack locks your system. Having backups ensures that you can restore services quickly, minimizing downtime and financial loss. Another key maintenance tip is to test your VoIP hardware on a regular basis. Devices like desk phones, headsets, and routers play a big role in overall call quality. Dust buildup, outdated firmware, or simple wear and tear can degrade performance over time. Set aside time every quarter to check your equipment, update firmware, and replace any faulty devices. For remote employees, provide clear guidelines on maintaining their home VoIP equipment, including the use of reliable routers and ensuring that their internet speed is sufficient for business calls. Troubleshooting procedures are also essential for small businesses using VoIP. Instead of waiting until an issue disrupts operations, create a simple troubleshooting checklist for your team. For instance, if a call drops or audio is unclear, the checklist might include steps like rebooting the phone, checking internet speed, or confirming that no other heavy network activity is interfering. Having a standard troubleshooting guide saves time, reduces frustration, and ensures that employees can resolve common issues without always needing to call IT support. Another often overlooked but important part of VoIP maintenance is keeping track of call analytics. Many VoIP systems include built-in reporting tools that provide insights into call volume, call quality, and dropped connections. Regularly reviewing these reports helps you spot recurring problems and measure overall system performance. For example, if you notice that calls tend to drop during peak business hours, that could indicate a need to upgrade your internet bandwidth or fine-tune your quality of service settings. Analytics also help you understand how your team is using the system and whether you need to adjust training or add new features. Employee training itself is an ongoing part of VoIP maintenance. Even the best system won't perform well if users don't know how to operate it correctly. Offer short refresher sessions to remind staff how to use key features, troubleshoot basic issues, and report problems effectively. This reduces unnecessary downtime and ensures that your business gets the maximum value out of its VoIP investment. For new hires, consider making VoIP training part of the onboarding process so they can quickly get up to speed. Now let's highlight the role of working with your provider. Many small businesses choose hosted VoIP solutions, which means that the provider manages much of the system on your behalf. Even so, it's important to stay in touch with your provider to understand what maintenance tasks they handle and what responsibilities remain on your side. Ask them about their system uptime guarantees, support response times, and whether they offer monitoring services. Establishing a clear communication channel with your provider ensures that if something does go wrong, you know exactly who to contact and how fast to expect a resolution. To summarize, maintaining a VoIP system in a small business is not just about fixing problems when they arise. It's about being proactive and building a system that runs smoothly every day. Regular updates keep your system secure and compatible. Network monitoring ensures consistent call quality. Security measures protect you from cyber threats. Backups and redundancy plans keep your communication running even in emergencies. Routine hardware checks prevent small issues from becoming major disruptions. Troubleshooting guides empower your team to solve problems quickly. Analytics help you improve performance over time. Employee training maximizes efficiency, and strong collaboration with your provider gives you peace of mind. VoIP technology is one of the best investments small businesses can make, but only if it is properly maintained. By following these tips, you can keep your system reliable, secure, and efficient, ensuring that communication never holds your business back. With the right maintenance strategy in place, your VoIP system can truly become a growth driver for your company. If you found these VoIP maintenance tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe to FinenceFlow for more insights on business technology, finance, and productivity. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.